Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions, and in today's video we're going to be working on a commercial site in the Tampa Bay area, replacing some channel drain grates. Now these large channel drains are responsible for collecting all the water that makes it down into this loading dock. Wherever trucks pull in and they back up to stores to be able to load the store with merchandise, the loading dock is significantly lower than the ground around it. All water travels down to this area and needs to be carried out somehow. That's what these channel drains are for. Now, the very first thing we're going to be doing is cleaning these channel drains out. We're simply going to be just taking a flathead shovel and shoveling out all the debris that has gathered into these channel drains. You want to make sure that you keep channel drains clear of any debris so it does not clog up the main line pipe that discharges the water that will be getting collected into this drainage system. Once we have the channel drains completely cleared out, we're going to go ahead and check the main line pipe. Now, I do not have the camera snake footage on this inspection because I forgot to bring the chip with me this day to be able to actually save the recording, but everything was cleared and good to go. This is a dual wall 6-inch main line, so that's smooth interior and a corrugated exterior drainage pipe. Now, these channel drain grates took us forever to find. We actually had to order them from a manufacturer overseas because we could not find one in the US that would supply us with this particular size of channel drain grate. I don't know why this size was so difficult to find, but it was. It took a couple of months to receive these channel drain grates, but once we did, they were pretty easy to install as they just slot right into place because it's the correct size. Now, whenever you're replacing large channel drains like this, you want to make sure that you're using a ductile iron grate. It needs to be able to handle the weight of delivery trucks, tractor trailers, anything like that. Now, as you can see, there's a small piece at the end that does need to be cut. That's not a big deal. We'll just go ahead and use an angle grinder with a metal cutting wheel to go ahead and cut the size we need and shape it up so it fits down in the slot. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this short little project of replacing some commercial size channel drain grates. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It helps the channel out. I love doing small commercial projects like this. They're always fun and interesting. Now, if you live in the Tampa Bay area and you want stormwater drainage solutions to come out there and help you with your exterior drainage needs, give us a call at 813-614-3456. We got you covered. Until next time, this is SWDS signing off.